I'm a big fan of something that I like to call a plus hobby. Now, there's probably a proper word for it, but my ignorance is just abundant. So I'm going to call this a plus hobby. And let me describe to you what I believe that is. Let's say you have a 3D printer, right? Which I do, and they're awesome. And that's a hobby in itself. But it's a plus hobby because whether you're into home repairs, making little mini figurines, cyber decks, or even like cosplaying, the hobby of the 3D printer enhances your other hobbies. Now, I don't do anything fancy like that. I just mostly have a bunch of like little computers and shit mounted to my wall over here. I make custom cases in for it and stuff. And I make silly things like this little lid that I put on top of my drink to keep things from falling in it, or at least reducing how many things can fall in it, because it still has holes, of course, and it's gonna pop right through. And I think another underrated plus hobby though is actually understanding computers. Like if you're gonna make music, or you're gonna edit video, or you're gonna do most things, if you have a good understanding of how to use your computer, that's a plus hobby. I use my computer because of the things that it can do for me. Like when I make music with the computer, and I'm able to do so much more than if I just me and a guitar, for example. I'm just one dude. And I think they're neat. That's all I'm really gonna say about that. I just think plus hobbies are absolutely neat. Do you have any plus hobbies? You probably do. But I have to stop and think about it for a minute and be like, oh yeah, I guess that kind of is a plus hobby. And that's cool. Sounds like I'm saying plus hobby. Plus hobby.